Machinery drives productivity in countless industries, but unguarded machines can cause serious injuries, including amputations and fatalities. Protecting yourself starts with understanding the risks and implementing proper safeguards. At OSHA Education School, our machine guarding safety course is your comprehensive guide to understanding machine hazards, precautions, and the essential role of guarding in workplace safety. This course begins with hazard recognition, a crucial skill for maintaining a safe working environment. You'll learn to identify common risks, such as pinch points, rotating parts, and flying debris, which are often present in industrial settings. Additionally, you will be trained on how to use your senses, sight, sound, and smell, to detect potential hazards. Workplace inspections will also be covered, teaching you systematic approaches to spot dangers before they lead to accidents. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to proactively ensure safety in your work environment, protecting yourself and your colleagues from harm. In this segment, we'll cover the different types of machine guards that are essential for ensuring workplace safety and preventing accidents. This includes fixed guards, which are designed to enclose hazards completely, providing a physical barrier between the worker and the dangerous parts of the machine. Next, we have interlocking guards. These are sophisticated systems that automatically shut down the machine when accessed, ensuring that the machine cannot operate while the guard is open. Lastly, we'll look at safeguarding devices like photoelectric sensors. These advanced sensors create an invisible barrier that, when breached, immediately stops the machine, preventing accidental entry into danger zones and enhancing overall safety. You'll also learn essential safety practices like lockout, tagout procedures to control hazardous energy during maintenance, and how to use emergency stop devices effectively in case of an incident. By completing this course, you'll not only reduce the risk of workplace injuries, but you'll also gain valuable knowledge on how to maintain a safe working environment. This course covers essential safety protocols and best practices that are crucial for any industrial setting. You'll learn how to identify potential hazards, implement effective safety measures, and ensure compliance with OSHA standards. This not only protects employees from harm, but also shields employers from costly penalties and legal issues. Upon course completion, you'll earn a certificate that highlights your expertise in machine safety. Don't wait for an accident to happen. Click the link in the description to enroll now. Complete the machine guarding safety course and get certified today.